Hi, well, this is my 2008 Mercedes E220 CDI, and what I've done actually today is I bit the bullet and bought an Android radio to change the stock radio for this Android head unit. I was in quite a fortunate position. I managed to get it quite cheap on Amazon. They normally retail for about £320, but basically very easy to fit, one of the simplest fits that I've ever done. I'll show you very quickly how it got in there. Stop the car into neutral. What I've done also is with the external USB ports that it comes with, I've just put them down in the back through the back of the unit that I've got here, and you get to with it. But to get access to it, very straightforward. Just pull the gearbox up. Sorry, trying to do this one hand, it's quite difficult. That just lifts out of the way. This glove box unit just literally pulls out. Just leave it hanging down there, so step back and see what I've got. This unit here is just held in by two screws, which are there and there. When you pull this out for the first time, it has got the Bluetooth USB aerial that goes to the stock radio. Also, you will notice that it's got airbag warning lights on, so when you do pull it out, just make sure that you don't disconnect any of the wiring. Just swing it around, put it down by the side, and you're in there. The radio itself, very happy with it, great quality. The only problem I've got is in direct sunlight you can't really see the screen, but other than that it works absolutely fine. The connection was one of the easiest that I've ever had. It connects straight in, goes to the canvas unit. I can't see it down there. Plugged straight in, as I say. The kit actually comes with all the tools that you need. It actually comes with the torque screwdriver to get these out. It also comes with a couple of trim tools. So there's the new microphone. Just trace the cable along there, down this side, through the box, down into there. That's different to the microphone that it comes with, because the microphone that it comes with was fairly poor, to be honest. Got a lot of background noise, but I'll show you that in a minute. The radio itself, just switch that up so it's easy to see. Yeah, got the navs. It's got two SD cards in there. The graphics for the artwork only work found if you've actually got them on the SD card as well. But you're linking it with your favourite nav system. So at the moment I've got 3 installed. I've got NavMe, Here and Go, as well as the stock one. I like the NavMe one because it just links in, very easy to change. Another problem I had with it was because I don't have a reversing camera, you need to go into the settings of the device. Sorry, that's the Wi-Fi. Just trying to get rid of some of the reflection on the screen. So you go into the settings on the actual device itself, and if you go down to factory settings, you put the pin number in. By default, the pin number on this unit is 126. And then here you can change various things like the car logo when it starts up. Obviously, I've got the Mercedes one on, the area code for your radio, the voice command, CAN bus. Just leave the CAN bus as default. This has got the standard Mercedes-Benz one on. But in the other bit, the problem I had was the prohibit reverse. I've disabled that. By default, that's enabled. What it means is that when you put your car in reverse, the radio locks up. You get a little yellow triangle telling you that you're in reverse. Very annoying when you listen to the radio and you're reversing off the drive. It just suddenly stops. This is part of the kit that it comes with. So that's the old stock radio that I took out, torque screwdriver that it came with, some trim removal tools. You get a load of harnesses and cables. This is the other harness that it comes with. The block connector plugs straight into that from the car itself. The black connector goes into the head unit. The white connector, it comes with the CAN bus module, that just plugs into the CAN bus module. This one is not for my car. The reason I can tell that is if you look where the yellow wire goes in. The yellow is one of the power wires. It's in literally the wrong position. Very easy to tell. When you look at the block connector from the back of your car, you'll see the pin positions. Just make sure that the orange one that comes for the power from the car matches the yellow one that's here. This is an assortment of the other cables that it comes with. Again, just another harness, not for my car. You get a lot of these in the back of the unit itself. That plugs in, so you can plug in various other video devices, external screens for the back of the car, front-facing cameras. I haven't got any of those, so I didn't bother connecting those to the car. Similarly, another set of connectors that go in the back, I didn't connect those at all. This was the stock microphone that came with it. The problem I had was that part there actually sticks to the dashboard or sticks to the screen. It's great when you're stationary, but the minute you start moving, you do get a lot of noise from the car itself, whereas the one that I put in hangs down on a ball-point pivot and it's crystal clear. The one that I did replace it with did come with this foam insert over the top, which made it very quiet. Just took that off and perfect, lovely loud audio. Another thing the radio does is, can't really see here very well, but these lights are lit up because I've got the lights on. If I switch the lights off, they're a nice sort of colour that blends in with the rest of the car. These are fully configurable LEDs behind there, so you can change the colours from bright red to orange to green to blue. As I say, I've got them on a yellowy sort of colour, just to tie in with the rest of the lights around the dashboard, just to give it that complete feel. Right, other things the radio did without any configuration, because it's straight into the CAN bus. If I turn the volume up a little bit, switch my music back on, straight into the handsets on the car, no problem at all. Hang up and answer and hang up works straight, no problem at all. One issue that I do have is before I could press and hold the turn down volume, but this time what you have to do is you have to pulse it to turn it up and down. Also, if you look at the screen, that's not showing very well, I get too much reflection. You can actually control the songs, although the screen obviously doesn't display what the songs are, but forwards and the backwards buttons work quite nicely as well on this. Another thing that I'm very pleased that it does is, let's show a little bit, if I switch the lights on, the radio automatically dims itself. I don't think this camera's picking it up very well, but it dims itself and switches back on to full brightness when the lights are off. Just another couple of things I forgot to mention. When you take the tray out and the heating controls out, to remove the radio, there's two screws. Again, the same torque side. There's one approximately here and one approximately here on the inside. I did find when I took them out, they took a while to turn and turn and turn, but they don't actually come out, but they do drop down and the radio can be removed. The other problem that I had is when I have the heated seats on, the interference with the radio occurs, so you get a tiny little type noise on the radio. I just found that by moving the wires that go to the electric seat heater behind the unit, away from some of the cables going to the back of the head unit, resolved that problem. The other thing I forgot to show was how easy it is just to put this microphone in. So there's the microphone that I got, the cable I just tucked behind there, and then to hide it down the centre console, just use the insert tool, just pull that forward very slightly, and again, just put that in there, and just snip the cable all the way down the inside. No reason to remove any of the trim on the inside. The only thing you have to remove is this part here. Again, just put the trim tool in, and it just pops out.